Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your Google account security page. Sign in if needed. Once signed in, navigate directly to security and then to your devices so you can see every active session tied to your account. Scan the list to identify the other device using its device name, operating system, or last activity timestamp. This step matters because you need to be sure you're signing out the right session, not your current device, and because the device details determine the next steps. Now select the device entry and open Manage Device or the three-dot menu. This reveals the Sign Out option. Choose Sign Out or Remove Access. This revokes the session tokens that let the device stay logged in. Once you confirm, Google invalidates those tokens and the remote device will be forced to re-authenticate. Make sure to note that propagation can take a few minutes, and that signing out does not erase data on the remote device. It only ends the account session there. To finish, tighten security. Revoke any app passwords and consider changing your Google password so old tokens stop working. Once done, enable two-step verification to block unauthorized relogin attempts and to make future remote signouts more effective. If the remote device still shows as signed in, force remove it from your devices or reset the account password again. This forces a full token refresh. Tip: if two-step codes fail, check backup codes or recovery email. Those help regain control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.